Una know that tree me they call pine cord. No, motors don't like this. That tree me they call pine tree. That tree na mother nature, as in a real mother nature. You know say palm tree fit tell you say rain go just fall the next minute.
This is amazing facts coming to you from JC Computer.
We are here today. Okay, the latest now. Let's just go into the latest. Una know that tree me they call pine cord. No, motors don't like this. That tree me they call pine tree. That tree na mother nature, as in a real mother nature. You know say palm tree fit tell you say rain go just fall the next minute. I know say you don't know this one, but must still analyze them for me understand. See this picture be this see. This particular tree, this particular seed, or this particular, will I call it, now seed, my seed, man, no stress myself, now seed. Now this seed, now from one tree, they call them pine tree. Now, don't mind me, I eat meat, I enter my teeth. Okay, this particular seed, maybe they call pine cord. Now, pine cord. Now this particular tree, if you they pass the tree, then you can't get close to the seed. The seed be like something like this. Just check down. The seed be like something like that. If you look the seed, they call them pine cord. I see this stress myself. Okay. You check that seed, man. You go see the seed close. Now if the seed close, my brother, remove your shoe. Now can like this, put on here. You can't turn like this. Just they run, they go out. Because the few minutes or few hours, or like when I mean like today waka, when I get leg at these bends, rain go wire you for house. My sister, my brother, rain go wire you go house. So this palm tree now good detector. I get that English. Now good detector. If it detect when rain, now detector. Okay, it go predict. Okay, it go predict. No be gambling. No, okay. It go just let you know say rain dey road. This palm tree now very specially made by the amazing one. Who is the amazing one? It's called the amazing one. Then they do amazing things. So now what you go help me do ba? Now if you no still understand, see that comment section, go there, go drop the things. You understand? Means you want me explain more, or another person go explain now more, as it go give us more details, or person me don't see him before. Because the truth about it, I never see this before. So if you don't see him before, go that comment section, but go tell us how you don't ever see him before, how the thing be, the things need the thing. What me help me do now? I beg, follow our page, like our page, share our page, comment for our page. Babe, I'm coming. Now come and eat. Now I'm coming. I beg, you see that comment section, but I will load that comment section. I beg. We told they discuss palm tree. No. Oh, babe, I'm come. Now palm tree we discuss now. No, not palm tree. Pine tree. Pine tree. So you know the next this thing. Now
amazing. You are amazing, God. You came to die for us.